ayan, dumating na yung aking tawag na to, bagong dining set galing from Pampanga. Thanks kay Sir Anthony. Ayan, ano ba yung kanilang ano, it's a Precious and Primo Furniture. Ayan, it's already 6:30 in the morning. Buti nagkasya dito sa loob kasi maliit lang ang aking house. So, buti talaga. Ayan, sorry guys, just an update. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you Lord for this another successful dream of mine to have a new table. Alright, so today is March 10, 2024. Thank you dito sa Sir Anthony, and this is a Precious and Primo Furniture. Yeah. Thanks. Morning na morning. So we are going to have a ginger tea. Thanks guys.